how are you? Today we are having what sold for over 50 video, so let's just jump right in. You see guys, this, I gotta stop scrunching my face. I'm gonna need Botox if I keep doing that. Stop. I don't know if you have same problem. If you have any ideas or you tried anything that worked, let me know. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Real Real sales for 50 or over. Now, first item is the St. John pouch, and it's sold for $50.50. My commission is $21, and I got this. I don't know if you can see it. Item specifically to send to Real Real. I got it for $6 on Poshmark. That's included shipping. Next item I also specifically bought to resell on Real Real. It was this Rodo, R-O-D-O. It was like little clutch that I found on ThreduP outlet, and I paid $8.40. It sold for $84, and my commission was $33.60. So next item was this Carlos Falchi Buffalo clutch, and this was actually part, I think I got it on eBay in like a lot of bags, and I saw the logo and I kind of, you know, bought it, and I sold all of those bags really, or except one, very quickly. I still have one of like 7 left, and the clutch came out to be $3.87. It sold on Real Real for $72, so my commission was $28.80. Next I have this Zimmerman jacket blazer, and man, this brand is really good and can sell for a lot, so I was hoping it would sell quickly. I tried on Poshmark, I sent to ThreduP, and I sent eventually to Real Real, and I just could not sell it. It was cute, it was good size, I don't know, and they had it listed quite high for like $100 some dollar, $150, $170, but eventually they keep dropping the price, and I was just like, you know what, let's get it out of here. But eventually it sold after coupons and sales for $66.50. My commission was $33.25, and I was okay with that because I paid only $5.90 in my local Goodwill. It was just regular find, and my Goodwill has this, they don't have like color of the week or anything, but they do have discount if you subscribe with them for like $25 for a year, so I get always discount on all the clothing. Okay, so next item was Stuart Weitzman leather Belay flats, and they sold for $40. That's also, they were sitting for a while. I tried to sell them myself for a while and were just not moving, so I sent it to them. Excuse me, why am I so gassy? Sorry, I'm trying to not eat carbs, and I've been, you know, having all kinds of issues. So I don't know if you guys ever tried no carbs diet. It's pretty good. I mean, I would not eat carbs for 2 days, then I have one day that I eat carbs, and so on, to kind of speed up the metabolism. But I don't know, it seems to be working. Next ones were here, Michael Kors pants, and this is actual Michael Kors, not its collection, not like the one you find every day. So they are high quality and well made, I believe in Italy. They were white pants. I found them for $4 in my regular Goodwill, just hanging on the rack. They sold for $40. My commission was $16. Next item was Salvador Ferragamo suede Belay flats, and I paid $5 in my local Goodwill. They didn't see that it was Salvador Ferragamo because usually they price it really high, so I only got it for $5. And the same story, I could not move those for ever. I don't know, I tried and tried. I think I even had it in my live show anyway, or live sale, but I got them for $5. They sold for $50 and my commission was $20. Next item is this Tory Birch silk blouse, which was beautiful, but I could not sell it. I tried for a while. I don't know, I think I bought it on Poshmark to resell on Poshmark, and my price was $9.27. Eventually it sold. It was higher price, but then somebody used coupon and it was $52 that it sold for, and my commission is $20.80. Next item was the Skyrim Melon sweater. It sold for $48.75. My commission was $19.50 and I paid $3.50. Next item, yet another one that was sitting forever. I got this suit really cheap for like $5. I tried to sell it myself. This is high-end brand, so it should be, it's like virgin wool suit. But I think the pandemic really messed up because I got it right before the pandemic, and then, you know, I just could not sell it. And I think I even sent it to Real Real and they did not sell it, even though it had a bunch of likes, but just I think people are not buying suits. So eventually it sold for $57 and my commission was $23. Next item, I have this Rachel Zoe blouse that sold for $35. My commission was $14 and I paid $6.66, so it wasn't a major. But then again, you have to remember, Real Real, I do no work other than send it to them. And actually this I didn't even have to physically go look for it because I bought it on ThreadUp outlet. So it came to my house, I just sent it to them and made a little bit of profit. Next item were those rag and bone suede like sandals, and I was kind of annoyed with how low they priced them. They priced them for $50, but then they had sales, so it's ended up being $40, and my commission was only $16, and I bought them for, I believe, $8. I mean, they were a little more, but then I had coupons, so I mean, I doubled the money, but it was, I could have sold them for more myself. So that was kind of my mistake. Next one was the Alexander Wang. It was like a tunic top and it sold for $35. Well, the price originally was over $50, that's why it's in here. And same with the Rachel Zoe and Rag and Bone. The price was over $50, but the people used coupon, so ended up being $35. And then my commission was $14, but I paid only $4 for it. So we're moving on to ThreadUp. We have this Lafayette 148 dress, which I bought in my local thrift store for like $6. It was kind of like tie-dye, and I could not sell it for a while. Again, the same story, before pandemic I got it, so it was sitting. I paid $6. It sold for $82 on on ThreadUp, and my commission was $41.33. Next item, now that was definitely a good brand to remember, Marlene Bigger or Biger. I don't know. It was a wool, like a top, short sleeve, and it sold for $76.99. My commission was $35.50. $57 and I paid 75 cents at the bins. So definitely have to go back to the bins because you cannot beat that. You cannot beat the prices. And next item was Michael Kors blazer, was wool, sold for $67.99. My commission was $37.94 and I paid $7 for it. Next was this Komarov. I was new to this brand, but I saw that it was accepted on the Real Real, but then they kind of changed it, so, or they didn't take it, so I ended up sending it to the thredup and it sold for $51.20. My commission was $19.66 and I paid $5 for it. Next item was this Brighton bag. I believe I paid around $6. It was priced a little higher, but then they used coupons, so ended up being sold actually for $50-$80, and my commission was $20.91. Next item was Miss Wu dress, which I sourced on Poshmark to resell, and I paid $5, and it sold for $75.68, and my commission was $39.50. Also, I tried to sell this dress myself for a while, and I just couldn't. Okay, next item was Lafayette 148 pants. I paid $4. They were $59.99. My commission was $21.60. I don't really like selling, like, you know, dress pants or casual pants. Jeans are alright, but these pants always sit forever. I don't know. Next item was this Stoney Shoes, which is amazing brand overall, but those were just, I thought they were men's, really small size, and then it turned out they were women's, so they were, I was kind of, you know, great brand, definitely pick up if you find for men sizes, but this one was like size 8 women or 9 women. And I could not sell it. I tried. I had a lot of likes because of the brand, but it would not move. And they were sold for, the person had the coupon because they were $64.99 and they end up paying $52. My commission was $20.28, but I paid only $5, so I was okay with that. Next item was Eileen Fisher's zip jacket. It was priced at $69.99. The commission was, they used coupon. It sold for $56. My commission was $23.52, and I believe I paid around $3.50. Next item was this Weitzman bag, and I could not sell this bag. I think I sent it to them like 5 times. No, I'm joking, not 5. But I tried to sell it for myself for a while. I could not sell it. Then I end up sending it to them. They send it back. They didn't accept it. I sent it again. They didn't accept. I sent it again, and they accepted, and it sold. So I was happy to get it out of here. I bought it for $6. It was $69.99, but they used coupons, so it was $56 that it sold for, and my commission is $23.52. Next item was a bag, Liebeskind, which was beautiful bag, and it sold for $75.99. My commission is $34.66, and I paid $7. So definitely it's worth sending bags because, one, they're final sale, so you send it, somebody buys, they gotta keep it. So that's amazing, and you know, definitely worth it if you can get the bags cheap. Next item was this Banana Republic jacket, which I bought for myself, and I tried to wear it, took a few pictures, and I live in Florida, so it's hot, so I could not have use out of it, so I ended up reselling it, and I sent it to thredup because I tried to sell it and nobody was buying it. I had a lot of likes, but no movement. And I was even lowballing people, and they were just like not buying it. So I sent it to them. It was beautiful, like trench coat, new with tag. It sold for $75.99. My commission was $34.66, and I only paid 75 cents for it. So that was amazing. That was Ben's purchase, so definitely should go back there. I see that now. When I look at the numbers, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta go. I haven't been since before the pandemic. Next item was this Michael Kors wool coat. And that was pretty good deal. I bought it for around $10. It sold for $81.99. Commission was $40.34. And that's really thanks to Nikki that I started buying those coats, because there's a bunch of them in my Goodwill, because I live in Florida. Nobody wears coats, or not much at least. So there's always coats. And I started sending them to thredup because I don't have space for them. Next item was Stuart Weitzman shoes. I paid $2.80. They were $49.99, but they end up using coupon for $40. So to make it $40, and commission was $12. Next item was this Coach bag. I paid around $5 for it. It was priced at $72.99, but it wouldn't sell, so somebody used coupon and they paid $58.40. The commission I got was $25.58, and this bag was not really big, and I had it forever. I tried to sell it for like 2 years on Poshmark. Next bag was a Wilson's leather vintage bag that I got for free from a friend. It sold at thredup for $56.99. My commission was $19.50. So that was truly free money. Oh, I have here few items that